let me tell you this. Alright. Let me tell you this. We got the Robert Gaddy speaking to the VOM, the hashtag bummer over there, the end of DM. You're over here, and then you show me love, the end of me. Now I'm over here today, the end of the industry. You show me that my love, and you keeping me high. I'm over here today, the end I fight for my mic. Fighting up above my mic, the end you say alrighty. To everybody telling me that, oh yes, I'm nice. Getting nice, getting cold, but the cold not old. Still I'm over here to end, I bust my flow. My flow is over here to get the visual what? Get the visual with the wishes, but I'm still getting up. Starting from the little baller and I'm working my way. Other people telling me to send the J where you stay. I went from that A to the other A. People telling me you better go home and pray. So let me say that what's going on. So yes, I'm over here to put it in a song. The song is over here to where we all belong. So everybody said, do you have a home? And if you don't, you know I'm going to wish that best. I'm coming over here to wishing you the nothing but that. Wishing this from my chest and I wish you would love. Still I'm coming over here to giving virtual hugs. I said the what? So now you want to see on these people talking about me and you know about me. I'm doing up over here and I rock in threes. So 1, 2, and 3. Then you will be. So let's go. We over here doing these folks things. But that's what we do today. I said that if I want to bring it up, I bring it down. So people telling me now, I'm going down. So now you going down and going up and in the color. The people talking about it saying that yes, I love the color. But still you rocking up and you rocking in red. The people talking about, you know what was the rhyme with red. Tender Fred is over there, the why he up in the bed. To everybody, let me tell you, but Fred not said.